The Vetroo AL900 ATX PC case features an expansive 270-degree, full-view tempered glass design, providing an impressive display of your PC hardware and RGB lighting. Its innovative interior includes a YTX design, which allows for hidden connector motherboard installation and effortless cable management. This case is remarkably versatile, supporting up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator and 10 fans, making it compatible with ATX, M-ATX, and YTX motherboards. The powerful I/O panel is equipped with a high-speed Type-C port and USB 3.0, ensuring fast connectivity and data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. Designed to accommodate the latest GPUs, it fits all RTX 40 and R7 series graphics cards with a maximum GPU length of 410 millimeters. Included in the package is a pre-installed ARGB and PWM FDB fan, ensuring efficient cooling and a vibrant display.